how to set up your smart home in 2025. Hi, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through 10 simple steps to set up your smart home in 2025. With so many smart devices on the market, it can be overwhelming to know where to start, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade your setup, this guide will help you build a connected, efficient, and secure smart home. Before we dive in, tell me, what's the first smart device you want to get for your home? Drop your answer in the comments below. I can't wait to hear from you. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our future tech tutorials. Now let's get started with these 10 easy steps to a smarter home. 1. Choose your smart hub. First things first, pick a smart hub. The hub is the central control unit of your smart home, and it connects all your devices. Amazon Echo, Alexa, Google Nest Hub, Google Assistant, Apple HomePod, Siri. Pick one that integrates well with your devices. If you're already using Alexa or Google Assistant on your phone, it makes sense to stick with the same brand. 2. Set up smart speakers. Next, grab a smart speaker. These are essential for voice control and home automation. You can use them to play music, control lights, adjust the thermostat, and much more. Popular options: Amazon Echo or Echo Dot, Google Nest Audio, Apple HomePod Mini. Make sure your smart speaker is placed in a common area where you'll be able to use voice commands easily. 3. Install smart lights. Smart lights can instantly make your home smarter. With smart bulbs, you can control your lighting remotely, set schedules, and even change colors. Some great options include Philips Hue LifeX Wise bulbs. You can also use smart plugs to turn regular lamps or lights into smart ones, giving you more flexibility. 4. Add a smart thermostat. A smart thermostat is an energy-efficient addition to your home. It learns your temperature preferences and adjusts the heating and cooling when you're home or away. Top choices: Nest Thermostat, Ecobee Smart Thermostat, Honeywell Home T9. This helps save on energy bills while keeping your home comfortable. 5. Set up smart security cameras. Safety is always a priority, and smart cameras provide peace of mind by allowing you to monitor your home remotely. Some of the best options include Ring Video Doorbell for front door security, Arlo Pro 5 for outdoor and indoor coverage, Nest Cam for Google ecosystem users. Install cameras near entry points or in areas where extra security is needed. 6. Install smart door locks. Say goodbye to traditional keys with smart locks. These devices allow you to lock and unlock doors remotely, and some even have fingerprint or keypad access. Top picks: August Smart Lock, Schlage & Code Yale Assure Lock. This adds an extra layer of security and convenience to your home. 7. Get smart plugs and switches. To make non-smart devices more functional, add smart plugs and smart switches. With smart plugs, you can control lamps, fans, or other electronics with your voice or phone. Examples: TP-Link Casa Smart Plug, Wemo Mini Smart Plug, Lutron Caseta Smart Switch. They're affordable and a quick way to automate appliances in your home. 8. Install a smart smoke CO detector. Safety doesn't stop at cameras. A smart smoke and carbon monoxide detector will alert you instantly if something's wrong. Nest Protect Smoke and CO2 Detector. First Alert OneLink Safe and Sound. These devices can send you alerts and even interact with other smart devices in your home to take action, like turning off the HVAC. 9. Set up smart blinds or curtains. If you want a fully automated home, consider adding smart blinds or smart curtains. These devices allow you to adjust the light in your home without having to manually open or close the blinds. Lutron Serena IKEA Feartour Smart Blinds, Soma Smart Shades. Control them via an app or set them to open or close at certain times of day. 10. Integrate smart assistants for automation. Now that you've got all your devices, it's time to tie them together with smart home automation. Use your smart assistant, Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, to set up routines that automate your daily tasks. Examples: Good morning routine. Automatically turns on the lights, adjusts the thermostat, and plays your favorite playlist. Good night routine. Turns off all lights and locks the doors. Most smart hubs and apps will allow you to set up these automated routines for ease of use. And there you have it, 10 steps to create your smart home in 2025. Whether you're upgrading your tech or just getting started, these devices will transform the way you live. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on all things tech. What's the first smart device you'll be adding to your home? Let me know in the comments below. Conclusion. To recap, here are the 10 steps for setting up your smart home. Choose your smart hub. Set up smart speakers. Install smart lights. Add a smart thermostat. Set up smart security cameras. Install smart door locks. Use smart plugs and switches. Install a smart smoke CO detector. Add smart blinds or curtains. Automate with smart assistants. I hope this guide helps you create the perfect smart home. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm happy to help. Apart from this, guys, check out Mr. Who's the Boss, who's taking smart living to the next level. He's not just building a smart home, but an entire smart ecosystem. From a self-watering garden to a high-tech gym and kitchen, his home is fully connected for a futuristic lifestyle. He's truly redefining intelligent living. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Stay smart and take care.